Alright, twin turbo action. Bigger injectors, slightly bigger. I didn't record. Those injectors did make a big difference. I'm not rolling 21 to 1 now. So, it was around 13, but then after that I added that extra injector, so we'll see how that is, if it even runs without a tune. I just threw parts at it for now. Let's check it out. If I can get my key to turn, what the fuck? Had to jiggle the steering wheel to turn the key. Alright. I can't get a good video. Sorry. I don't know how many times I complain about these terrible Android phones. They're very freaking bad. Oh my god, it's gonna piss me off. Yeah, it needs a tune. Yeah, I better quit that. That thing's running super duper lean. That's worse than before. Time for bigger injectors.